Hey everyone, I hope you all are safe and doing good. So we'll see zero one knapsack problem. But before that, I want to tell you something. What are different types of knapsack problem? There are three types of knapsack problem. What is a knapsack problem? Thing is, I have discussed this thing in greedy approach also, but let me just explain this again. You are given a knapsack or a bag having some capacity. So you are having some bag. Okay. Capacity of this bag is 7 kg. Suppose 7 kg. You are given different items having weight and profit or value of these items. Weight, suppose you are given 4 items, n is equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Weight of every item is 1 to 5, 6. Value or profit, suppose if you sell these items, you will get these much profit 5 rupees, 4 rupees, 8 rupees, 9 rupees. And you are given a bag. Now, your goal is you have to put these items in this bag such that you will get maximum total value or profit. But one constraint is capacity of the bag is only 7 kg. So this bag or the weight of the bag cannot exceed 7 kg. That thing you need to take care. That is the knapsack problem. But now here three types of knapsack problem are there. Zero one knapsack, fractional knapsack, and unbounded knapsack. So what is zero one knapsack? You are given one condition that 0 1 means either you can take the item or don't take the item. Means the capacity of the this weight is 7 kg, 7 kg. So definitely you can't take all the items because total it will be 5, 7, 8, and it will be, I guess, 14 kg. So I can't take all the items. So you have to select. So either you can take a complete one item or don't take it. You can't take half of the item or kind of that. Suppose you are given phone. You have in items phone or power bank. One item is power bank. One item is charger. They are having some weight, some value, or some profit. And the bag capacity is 7 kg, or not 7 only, 7, or you can say some gram. In gram, I'll take because weight of power bank, phone, and charger is not in kgs, it's in just grams. So you can say like 100 grams or 200 grams or 500 grams. But kind of this is given. So it's like, can you take half phone? No. Either you will take it or don't take it. Power bank. Either you will take it or don't take it. It depends on the weight of this, and if we have the space or not, then we take it. Same for charger also. We can't take half charger. We can't take half power bank. We can't take half phone. So you take it or don't take it. So that is why it is known as zero one knapsack. You can't take fraction of these items. No. You can't take half of the items. Now, how you will take that we will see how we solve this problem. But I guess zero one knapsack problem is clear to you. Okay. What is fractional knapsack? See, as the name suggests, fractional. You can take fraction. Yes. It's not that you have to take it or don't take it. No. You can take like half bar, half kg, or kind that. It's not that you have to take 1 kg. You can take half kg also. You can take fraction also. Like gold bar. You can take half gold bar, half kg gold bar if you have less money. Okay. If there are 5 kg rice, so and you don't want to buy 5 kg, you just take 2 kg from those 5 kg. So fractions are allowed. That is fractional knapsack. Okay. That is why it is fractional knapsack. And this is DP problem and this is greedy problem. Because of we can take fraction, that is why we can solve this with greedy. That we have already seen how to solve it. But this we cannot solve with greedy because it's 0 1. You can take it or don't take it. You can't take fraction. That's why it's a DP problem. How? I'll show you. Don't worry. For now, don't worry about that, how it is a DP problem. I'll show you how to identify it's a DP problem. Next is unbounded knapsack. It means you can take same items multiple times. In this case, I can take this first item only one time. If I take it, suppose weight is 1, so I take it. And total profit I get 5. Now it's not that I will take this item, suppose I'll take item 1. So item A, B, C, D. Suppose these are the names. So I'll take this A item, means I have, this is gone. I cannot take it again. I cannot take it again. That's one thing here. There are only one instance of these items available, only one instance. If I take now B, so now it's gone. I cannot take again B. No. But in unbounded knapsack, you can take same items multiple times. Unbounded means there are, like, suppose we have 3 coins, we have 5 chocolates. So I have like in this bag. I can take one chocolate, again I can take one chocolate, again I can take one chocolate, then again I can take one chocolate. So there are many times I can take same object, same item. Okay, that is unbounded. There is no boundation. That is unbounded knapsack. So I guess types of knapsack problems are clear to you. Okay. So now in the next lecture, we will see what is 0, 1 knapsack, how to solve it first with recursion, then we apply DP, memoization, bottom up, and maybe further we can optimize it or not. We'll see that thing. So everything about 0, 1 knapsack, we'll see in the next lecture. Okay. So now I'll see you in the next lecture. Till then, bye bye. Take care.